What is się and when to use it? Part 5. Make sure you watch other parts too. Other uses of the Polish reflexive pronoun się. While the previous videos have covered the most common uses of Polish reflexive pronouns, się also appears in some very specific structures that might seem just plain weird to an English speaker. Let's try to make them a little less weird. Firstly, się can be added to almost any verb to create a depersonalized structure, essentially an action without a specified doer. For example, jak się to wymawia? How is it pronounced? Tak się nie robi. One just doesn't do that. Jak się tam jedzie? How do you get there? Of course by car. Secondly, the impersonal use of się involves adding it to a verb when talking about an action that happens by itself, with nobody to blame for it. For example, woda się gotuje. The water is boiling. Pogoda znowu się popsuła. The weather has gone bad. Robi się ciemno. It's getting dark. Thirdly, it can be quite useful when you are trying to worm your way out of the slippery situation by saying kawa się wylała. You can claim that the coffee spilled itself and get away with it. Not bad. Then there is the popular structure da się, which is usually translated as is possible. Da się to naprawić? Is it possible to fix it? Tego meczu nie dało się wygrać. It was impossible to win this match. Nie da się tego opisać słowami. Words cannot even begin to describe it. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.